code registered to see walking. He came from Tennessee, a 10-year-old boy that has ridden him all of his life. He's been trail ridden through the wide creeks, belly deep creeks, woods, deer, wildlife. He has been subjected to gunshots. We live on a 4-lane highway. We have ambulances, police, fire trucks always going by with sirens with these horses. There's a practice shoot up on the hill that is absolutely, when they are out shooting, whoever's out riding what, they go up there and subject them to that. The four-wheelers, the rental park on the hill, there's four-wheelers, kids, barking dogs, nipping at the heels. We have a Jack Russell that nips at the heels, so they are subjected to that. Shak is a beautiful horse. He's very, very, very loving. He is beautiful. His tail is flaxed and on the ground. He is easy to do all things with, and just one of the prettiest, sweetest horses we have ever had. As you can see, he will stand and wait forever. Doesn't matter how long, he's just an amazing horse. He stands to mount. Every once in a while, if you haven't ridden him for 3 or 4 days, he will step off 1 or 2 steps, and that's if he's stalled. If he's stalled weak, he has a little bit more energy level, but not out of control. He is a beautiful horse in every way. You'd be welcome to come see our horses at Forest Ridge Farm in Scienceville, Kentucky. Our phone number is 606-423-5054. Again, that's 606-423-5054.